My bobo hydrangea are growing like crazy, but they're developing brown spot. Should I trim the bottom to lift them up and increase airflow? Then I want to spray with a fungicide. This is Shane on YouTube. So, Joellen?
He's listening. Airflow.
Hey, airflow. There you
Yes.
go. I thought you would like that.
That's perfect. And he's thinking and he's doing the right thought process. I want to question though is what else is around it?
Okay.
Because if he's lifting it up, he wants to lift it up a little bit and is concerned about the airflow. Are the shrubs or is it against a building?
Yeah, so that's
where is the air flowing around it? That's because I even have one that's in the middle of shrub area, but it's such a solid shrub area that there's not a good airflow around there, and I just have to watch the watering because mulch. Put some mulch down so that the soil doesn't splash up onto the leaves. So I understand his thought process of getting rid of the lower leaves for that. But and he can spray with
wants to spray with a fungicide.
Fungicides. You can spray with fungicides for that, but it's preventative.
Right.
And I would like to go with cultural practices first.
I would.
And because a lot of the newer hydrangeas are less susceptible to the funguses on the leaves. So make sure you're getting a resistant variety also.
Right, and it's probably Cercospora leaf spot. Of course, it's one of the #1 diseases, fungal diseases. So, okay. Mr. D, anything to add to that?
Nope, I got it covered.
Got it covered. All right. But he's listening. I thought you
I love it. It's like, he's airflow, yay.
It's the airflow.
He's listening.
Yeah. And read or follow the label on that fungicide, and you'll be fine. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.